be on. So you have three ways to make donations. One, you have a flat amount. An example would be $8, meaning if I'm running this race, I could go up to Miss Henke. I could say, Miss Henke, you want to sponsor me? And she says, yes, I will give you $8 flat fee. Oh, okay. I say, thank you. On my way. That is called a flat amount. That's an $8 donation fee. Number two, Miss Henke could tell me, hey, I'll pay you $1.50 per kilometer. Sweet. So for every kilometer that I run, she would pay me $1.50. And then the last way that you can do this kind of like donation, sponsorship, is a combination of both. She could say, hey, I'll give you a flat fee of $4, and then I'll pay you $1.50 per kilometer as well. So it's like she gives like a flat fee plus plus the per kilometer. So it's a combination of both of those. Kai.
Just like how my sponsor, they don't do the flat amount. I wish they did. But like, it ranges from, like every video I make, it ranges from $100 to $8,000.
And they will give you that depending on. Okay.
Depending on what they choose to.
So this is how you kind of like when you're doing like different kinds of races and stuff like that. So what we're looking at today is understanding that relationships are linear, and within that relationship of being linear, you also will have some flat amount values that get correlated into it. And we're going to look at how that looks and how it graphs. So here's your example that we're going to start off with. And like I said, I need you to copy this down. Otherwise, I had this already, but I couldn't print it out because it's not working. Joe he got a flat donation of $12 to run or walk a 8-kilometer race or 8-kilometer walkathon. Amy got a sponsorship of $1.50 per kilometer to also walk the 8 kilometers. And Jose has a combination of a $6 flat as well as a $1.50 per kilometer. So my question to you as a prediction is, who do you think is going to collect the most money based on how far they have to walk and the kind of donation that they got? Go and talk to your partner. Talk to your partner.
Hi, partner. Oh, wait. My partner
Yeah.
ran away.
Can I go to Michaela?
Yeah, go over, Michaela. Huh? Three, 2, 1. Let's come back. Ethan, what's your prediction on who's going to get the most donation money?
Josie.
Jose. So Jose will, you believe he's going to pick it up. So this is what I would like you to do. On your paper, on 1.3, we are going to fill in the table for the donation. Here are the kilometers. I think on yours it goes up to 6. Yeah. You have 3 different people. You have Alana, you have Gilberto, and you have Leanne. In your book on you will read page 11 and 12 in your book. And on page 12, it will tell you what the sponsorships amount for each are. And who is a flat amount, who is a per kilometer amount, and who has the combination. Your job is to fill in your form on your paper. Fill in the table. You need to then graph those donation amounts and then write an equation. So you have 3 jobs. Fill in the table, graph them, and write an equation for each. We'll come back together in about 15 minutes and talk about your progress and what were some of the stumbling blocks and what we can do to figure it out.